Should I worry about acupuncture? It's not unusual for people to be nervous whenever they enter into some kind of a surgical procedure. Even for something like acupuncture where no surgery is performed, there can be an apprehension because of a misunderstanding about what acupuncture is all about. The fact of the matter is, it is one of the easier treatments for us to go through and provides less of an opportunity for things to go wrong in general medical care. If you're nervous about going through acupuncture, here are some facts that may put your mind at ease. The first thing that you need to know is that you will not go into the acupuncturist office and end up getting stuck full of needles immediately. In fact, on your first visit you may not actually have an acupuncture treatment at all. What you will typically have is a consultation in advance so that the doctor can find out about your medical history and whatever problems you may be experiencing. He will also ask questions about your general medical care to find out if you are taking medications or going through some kind of procedure that may conflict with the acupuncture care. This, in itself, will help to put your mind at ease as you will get to know the doctor on more of a one-to-one basis. The next thing that you should be aware of is that acupuncture is a very safe type of procedure. As long as your doctor is competent, which is easy enough to find out, you will not experience any problems at all. Most of the problems that have to do with acupuncture are from infections from the needles or from pierced organs because of incompetence. Your doctor should be using FDA-approved prepackaged, one-use needles whenever he is caring for you. Finally, you are probably worried about how you will feel whenever you're undergoing the acupuncture treatment. It is very rare for people to experience pain whenever the needles are inserted. Quite the contrary, they usually experience either extreme relaxation or rejuvenation as a result of the treatment. If there is any pain, it is very momentary and light. To be honest, you have very little to worry about whenever you're going to the acupuncturist. As a matter of fact, after you have your first treatment you will probably be wondering why you were nervous at all.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.